What are the things that you need to know to become a corporate controller? Well, number one, you need to know about billing and revenue accounting. Number two, you need to learn how to run an efficient accounts payable process. Number three, you need to know how to record the various business transactions into the accounting software. And number four, you need to learn how to close the books and create and analyze financial statements. This is why after crossing 100K subscribers in YouTube, I've decided to create the Controller Academy. My name is Bill Hanna and I'm a licensed CPA in the great state of New York, and I've been working in the accounting field for the last 16 or 17 years with about 10 years working as a corporate controller. The difference between the Controller Academy and any other accounting course that you see online is that these other accounting courses tend to be 80% theory and only 20% examples, while with the Controller Academy, I've made sure that we only spend about 10% of the time on accounting theory and 90% of the time on hands-on examples because we learn best through examples. The entire course is built around a real-life company, Spa Booker, which is a software company, where we go through the entire business cycle and create the accounting operation around fundraising, billing, payroll, accounts payable, etc., with very little time spent on theory and most of the time spent on how to actually hands-on record the transactions in accounting software. This online course is ideal for accounting professionals ranging from staff accountant all the way up to controller who want to hone in on their skills and understand exactly what is it they need to know to become an effective corporate controller. I teach everything in plain English, like how I speak right now, so that if you're an accounting student or someone with a little bit of background in accounting, you could also take the course. What you'll get is a lifetime on-demand access to 6 hours of video lectures in plain English, plus all of the Excel template downloads that I personally use to run an efficient accounting operation. Also, what you'll get after completing all the lectures and answering a few multiple choice questions, you'll get a certificate of completion that you can download in PDF and post on the certification section of your LinkedIn profile. If we take a look at the company's main financial activities, these are the day-to-day transactions that are happening in the business. And the second type is going to be the month-end close activities. In the day-to-day activities, we've got billing, we've got payroll, and accounts payable. To make money, you got to spend money, right? Which you can pretty much summarize by saying these are the accrual adjustments. And then the other activity is going to be account reconciliation. All right, let's rock and roll, yo! And then that's gonna flow into a trial balance on this side. All right, your debits are gonna always be on the left side and your credits are gonna be on the right side.